In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete stickers on iOS 17. If you have custom stickers that you made on your iPhone running iOS 17 and no longer need them, follow these steps to remove them. To get started, open up the Messages app on your iPhone, and then tap and select any conversation. Then tap on the little plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then tap Stickers. Now you'll be able to see all the stickers you've made. Find the sticker that you want to delete, then long press on that sticker for a second or two, then let go of your finger. Then tap on the Delete option. This will delete that sticker and remove it from the sticker collection. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.